Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting three major voice assistants head-to-head: Siri, Gemini, and Bixby. We'll look at how they perform, what makes each one unique, and which one gives you the smartest, smoothest experience in 2025. So let's dive right in, starting with Apple's classic Siri. Siri's been around for over a decade now, and while it was revolutionary when it launched, it hasn't evolved as fast as its competitors. It's deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem, which means it works great with iPhones, iPads, Macs, and even Apple Watches. You can ask Siri to send messages, set reminders, make calls, control smart home devices, and get directions, and it'll do all of that seamlessly if you're an Apple user. But Siri's main limitation is that it's not very conversational. It tends to stick to simple commands rather than complex tasks or detailed explanations. And while Apple recently announced AI improvements through Apple Intelligence, those features are still rolling out gradually. So right now, Siri is reliable, but not exactly cutting edge. Now, let's move on to Gemini, Google's next-generation AI assistant. Gemini replaces Google Assistant on newer Android devices and is powered by Google's advanced AI models, the same ones used in Gemini, Web, and App. What sets Gemini apart is that it's more than just a voice assistant. It's a full AI companion. You can chat with it naturally, ask it to summarize long emails, create documents, plan trips, or even generate images if your device supports that feature. Gemini integrates directly with Gmail, Drive, Maps, and other Google apps, making it incredibly powerful for productivity. It also understands context better than Siri, meaning that you can have an ongoing conversation instead of repeating commands every time. But it's still being rolled out globally, and some users have reported that the voice response feels slower compared to the old Google Assistant. But overall, Gemini is the smartest and most flexible assistant right now, especially for Android users. And finally, let's talk about Bixby, Samsung's AI assistant. Bixby often gets overlooked, but it's actually improved quite a bit over the years. It's designed to control Samsung devices, not just phones, but TVs, fridges, and even washing machines. If you're deep in the Samsung ecosystem, Bixby can be pretty convenient. You can use it to open apps, change phone settings, send texts, or control SmartThings devices. It also supports routines and can automate tasks based on your habits. But the downside is that Bixby still feels more limited compared to Gemini or even Siri in terms of natural conversation and general knowledge. Samsung has been adding AI features like Bixby Text Call and AI-powered translations, but it's still catching up when it comes to deep integration with third-party apps or creative tasks. So what's the verdict? Siri is polished and great for Apple users who want reliability and privacy. Gemini is the most advanced AI assistant right now, flexible, creative, and deeply integrated with Google services. And Bixby, while improving, is still best suited for people who primarily use Samsung devices and want easy control over their ecosystem. Alright, that's it for today's comparison. Which assistant do you use the most? Siri, Gemini, or Bixby? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.